Hello everybody and welcome to Rider of the Storm in the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I am Christopher Thunder. We're going to do another video short that is too short. This is my daily lubrication video. And what I've done is I've laid out my daily maintenance items, including my air pressure gauge and some of my other lubricants that I have laying around the garage for you to see and visualize in your brain so that you know where things are used and how they can benefit you. Now, starting from the front, we have our silicone spray. Our silicone spray is used up here on our front forks. We also use it on our back shock. I have a sock on my back shock, so I have to squeeze the spray through a hole in my shock sock using this very long tube. The tube is extended using a piece of wire insulator. It really does work very, very well. That allows me to get my silicone spray into places most people cannot get it, so it really helps. Now, as we move to the back of the bike, we're going to take a look at some more products here. Now, for the chain wax always works very, very well, but to be honest, you know, given its history, plain old gear oil is the way to go. All right. You really don't want to use WD-40 on your chain. Oh, okay, that guy on Fort 9 did do a test with WD-40, and the one thing he did not say was that you really shouldn't use WD-40 on your chain. Now, why is that? What is WD-40? Well, read the label. WD-40 is water displacement formula 40. It is a water displacing chemical that is used on the outside of Atlas missiles or rockets, which allows the ice to break off of things during the launch. So it's a water displacement chemical that just happens to be a lubricant. Will it lubricate your chain in the long term? Well, given the number of chains I've thrown in the past while using a lot of WD-40, I would say no. You can use it in a pinch, but it is not a good chain lubricant. You'll probably burn up your chain in the long run. You probably really will. Lithium grease. Lithium grease can be used in a pinch to lubricate your chain. It does create a hell of a mess. You'll see under the dog bones here how black it is. Well, that's the lithium grease picking up all the road dirt and everything, and it just doesn't want to come off unless you use a lot of Simple Green and QD electronics cleaner to remove the grease. So if you're going to use lithium grease, you better have a way to remove it from the surfaces that you're using it on, because it makes one hell of a mess. A good rag can be used to wipe off lithium grease when it is freshly applied. But as it picks up dirt, it turns into a gunky crud that sticks to everything. So, not the best idea. One more time, if you're going to lubricate your chain, gear oil. Here we have 75W90 and a Valvoline, a very good chain lubrication product. If you're in a pinch, use some chain wax. That can also help seal in the oil. So let's say you've applied the oil and you want to come back and use some chain wax the next couple of days. So, you know, I might ride 3 days a week, and for those 3 days I'll apply the chain wax. But on the weekend I'll come back and I'll really soak the chain in some gear oil, and that'll keep your chain nice and long lasting. I know that's a lot of effort and a lot of thought, but that completes my video short that is too short for today. Thank you very much and have a great day from Rider of the Storm.